Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Biometrics and Security, then Fingerprints. This starts enrollment immediately. You must confirm your existing screen lock, PIN, pattern, or password because the system needs a secure fallback. Once done, position the finger as prompted. Press lightly, release, and vary angles so the sensor learns edges. Why this matters: varied contact builds a fuller template, reducing future misses. Make sure your finger and sensor are dry. A clean surface equals more reliable recognition. You continue by completing the multi-angle scans. Lift, reposition, and register different parts of the fingertip until the progress hits 100%. Vary pressure and tilt so the algorithm captures ridges and edges. This reduces false rejects later on. Once the primary finger is done, add at least one alternate finger or the same finger with different placement, because redundancy helps when hands are wet or gloved. Make sure to name entries if the phone allows it so you can manage them quickly. You finish by testing unlock and fingerprint protected apps. Try several unlock attempts and in everyday grips. If recognition is slow or inconsistent, re-register the finger. Sometimes a single additional pass fixes it. Once done, keep your system updated and remove thick screen protectors or bulky cases that misalign your finger on the sensor, because hardware alignment matters. If problems persist, delete the fingerprint templates and recalibrate from scratch. That clears corrupted data and gives you a clean restart, solving most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.